Now available at McCarthy Cars, the 2008 Volvo V70 2.4 D5 turbo diesel with 185 horsepower. The vehicle is in metallic chameleon blue finish with a 17-inch Volvo alloys. It's got a roof rails, it's got good size of a boot, split 4 rear seats, a luggage cover, inflection kits, the bodywork is in good condition. Front wheel of the vehicle is got a front forks and a headlamp washers. It's got a grey velour interior with 5 headrests. ISOFIX for child seat preparation. It's difficult to open the headrest with one hand. And for your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. Side airbags are on the sides of the seats. The door has got the electric windows and folding mirrors. It is with a memory driver seat. It's got a center armrest with the aux in, some cup holders in the middle. It's got push button to start, and the vehicle is done 74,000 miles. It's got the automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side. As you can see now, lights in the dash, no faults. So it's got air conditioning with a climate control, heated seats, AM FM radio CD player, it's got rear view dimming mirror, obviously it's got power steering wheel, it's got lumbar support, so this was the quick overview of the Volvo V70. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.